Are we good?
Yep. Let's go.
Oh yeah, how the wind must have been blowing or
Yeah.
something? That's crazy. Delicious.
Probably a local farmer with his rose.
Ew.
I'm gonna go down this way.
You have jeans on.
On my
Alright, Emma. Be careful up there, Sam.
Go down the slide!
I keep hearing cracking from over here.
It's probably me.
No, it's one of the trees.
I'm gonna kick this ice off.
Make sure you don't fall.
I'm not doing this one.
Why not? It looks awesome!
I'm gonna fall off.
Yeah, be real careful. It does look
It's
slippery.
just slush underneath. Climb it.
You could try to climb the cheese.
No,
It looks like you'd be climbing an ice cube, though. Man.
Oh.
Daisy Morgan Freeman? What the hey? There's a thing.
Whoa. Losing some branches over there. Do you hate that? Hate the ice on the tree? That's solid ice.
The palm. Try to take the thing.
There's this big chunk in the bottom.
Ow.
In the Willamette Valley cities of McMinnville, Salem, Corvallis, Eugene, and Cottage Grove, snow-covered roads are becoming coated with ice. Downed tree limbs are causing power outages. So please be aware. If you don't need to be anywhere, just stay with me.
I could probably do this and it would record. Does this work, Barry? Do you see my picture?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's
Yay!
bright
It's probably better outside.
I don't know. It's getting dark.
The sound of music, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer. Let it be.
Oh man,
Wait, what?
you're bleeding inside of your mouth. I don't think you are.
Yeah.
So,
This is
Barry,
my new-
what happened today?
The power went out.
Yep. How have we been doing?
We've been doing bread.
What did we have for dinner?
We had pizza, homemade pizza.
How did
And
we-
it was cooked on the grill.
The grill. Yeah, pretty awesome. Where's Duncan?
Duncan's having dinner with Rob and Nick. I forgot at whose house.
Let Grandma let us see how.
Oh, okay. So, I have no idea what they ate for dinner.
Probably some squirrel.
Squirrels.
Can you hold this?
Oh, no, that's drums. That's dumb.
More!
This is the best piece of battery life.